In front of me is HONOR Magic5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Display and Brightness. Following that, tap on this gray switcher next to Automatic feature. And as you can see, after that, the switcher is blue. That means that auto brightness is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on Now Blue switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!